Jambo, my name is Brian Ayekha from Enaidura luxury camp. I work as a barman as well as a head waiter. I would really like to introduce you to one of Enaidura luxury camp signature drink, which is called Dawa. Dawa means medicine, and I'm ready to show you how we do it. You have to get your honey, which is our local honey. We have lemon, and we have ice, and I got my vodka, which is number 21. You don't have to use spiced vodka. So I'll have to cut my lemon into half. Then I'll have to squeeze the juice, lemon juice, into the glass, and I will cut few chunks of lemon, and I want to put them in the glass. Then I'll have to get honey, so you just have to stir. Then this one is enough for one serving. Then what I will do, I'll add vodka, a double shot, and I'll get ice in it. Then you're gonna stir it. And that's how you make Dawa.